welcoming the other people in the place from Maguindanao. And the message of this painting is all about Islam and the legacy of Shaykh Al-Uswan as a person. That's it.
Sa technical aspect, painting process or the painting process, does it communicate ang your feeling?
Community feeling. Yes, sir.
And why?
I achieved this approach because of my I believe that every time I paint is the depiction of my emotions. So what if I ask you, sir, what is your mood while seeing this painting? That will be my mood.
For me, using monochromatic is for diba?
Parang underpainting lang dyan. Monochromatic. Pero gumamit sa application to life. Kung ang akong anak mutanaw sa mong painting, what do you expect?
We will be educated about the Muslims.
Tapos wala mag-explain sa'yo ako. Tanaw na siya.
My artist statement will be put in the back, and he can read or she can read.
Tapos kung kapulan siya mo ko, wala siya mabasa.
Kapulan or wala siya.
Tanaw siya. Because art is another form of communication. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So, kung yung basa na rin, ano siya? How do you expect na
If she or he has the idea of Muslims, he will
Wala na idea.